Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm out here Middle Fork Valley again. We just did, my buddy and I came out here and we hiked about a couple weeks ago now. And what I wanted to do today is I wanted to come down and one thing I wanted to do last time we were here is I wanted to sit by the river a little bit. And I didn't get a chance to do that because the trail we were on, it started off by the river. We crossed the bridge. We paralleled the river only for maybe 100 yards. And we just cut into the woods and we never saw the river again. So I came back because I wanted to look around for a few rocks, maybe for flint and steel. And just kind of take a look, see what was available. I actually would rather be on the other side of the river, because I have a lot more beach over there than here. This is literally just a drop off. I can still get down to the river, but yeah, we'll see. I'll probably show you. I might actually go back across the river and try to get on the other side, just so I have more area to work with. So I got a couple things planned today. I'm not overnighting, unfortunately. I'm just we still have burn bands on, so you know, the idea of camping without having a fire is sort of like, you know, having a big bowl of popcorn without any butter or salt on it. I mean, yeah, you can do it, but it's like it's not as good. So I like having a fire. Although we're working on something for maybe this weekend, fingers crossed. So of course I'm gonna bring the cameras and record it all as much as I can. But let's get down to the water. I want to see if I can get on the other side though, because I want to try to find some good rocks. We might have to take a little trek. I'm actually standing at a campground. Maybe I'll turn the camera, you can see. There's a fire pit up here, whatnot. Then I'll tell you what, if this was my fire and that was my view, I would be very, that would be very nice. Just kind of turn your chair. Hell yeah, especially with a nice clear sky. I'll show you the other view I'm looking at. Look at that. Man, be nice to watch the sun crest over that puppy. Although it'd probably come up over here, but still that'd be nice. I have no idea what that mountain is called. I'll have to see if I can find it online and maybe I'll annotate it. Just throw the letters up on the screen. It's a nice spot. I mean, it's close to the road, but what are you gonna do? Well, that's convenient. A little sitting log. So the bridge is that way, but I wanted to check out this little side trail real quick. So, and get something out of and thinking about since this started. A little must-have in the woods, if it were. It's not the campaign. It's not the toilet paper. There she is. Stay the hell off me, bugs. Yeah, maybe I'll do a bag breakdown at some point. Maybe. I don't have a lot of stuff with me. I'm not packed for overnight. So. I don't know if you guys are seeing this. Well, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I'm seeing me a resource. Cedar bark. Sweet. This tree is dead, so score! Oh, theoretically I shouldn't take more than I need, but I'll probably end up burning it all eventually, so. Nice. Nice. So I literally just collected this, and then I saw this little side trail. I bet that'll take me down to the river. So let's go ahead and take it, because why not? Nice. I just came down the trail and discovered that there's actually a pretty nice campsite tucked in here. So you got nice big spot for either hammock or tent. Well, definitely a hammock, obviously a tent. And the fire pit's up over here. So cool. And you're right by the river. Money. Nice. I'm gonna put my cedar over here just for now. I'm not gonna need my bag either. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So I've got, looks like the river is over across the field there, but someone's been putting up some cairns. I can see, I don't know if you can see that, but it's right on that log right there. But I'd be easily able to hop over that. I'm gonna go down and hound for some rocks. Nice.